Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for DTC P0223, which signifies a high voltage issue with the throttle position, TP sensor, B in the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models. The throttle position sensor is a crucial component that relays the position of the throttle to the engine control module, PCM. A high output voltage reading above a specified threshold causes the PCM to trigger this diagnostic trouble code, alerting drivers and technicians alike to a potential malfunction. Understanding these signals is essential for diagnosing engine performance issues that can arise from an improperly functioning throttle position sensor. As we go through this guide, we will highlight the various components involved, their roles, and where they can be found to facilitate effective repairs. Let's dive deeper into this issue. DTC P0223 is triggered when the output voltage from the throttle position sensor B exceeds acceptable levels, indicating high voltage in the circuit. The throttle position sensor B is integrated with the throttle body and is critical for monitoring the throttle valve's position. This information helps the PCM manage air intake and engine performance effectively. The PCM itself interprets signals from various sensors to optimize fuel delivery. When the output is higher than approximately 4.8 volts, it signals an abnormality that could affect overall engine function. Both the throttle body and PCM are essential for overall vehicle performance, as they work hand in hand to regulate engine operations. These components are typically located near the engine's intake manifold, making them accessible for inspection. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0223. First, a faulty throttle body may result in inaccurate readings from the TP sensor, leading to the high voltage output. Second, an open wire in the circuit can interrupt the communication between the TP sensor and the PCM, generating incorrect voltage levels. This includes checking the signal wire THL2 and the ground wire SG3 for any disconnections or faults. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM may also be the root of the problem. If all other components check out, the PCM itself could be at fault, affecting overall functionality and reliability. Each of these causes needs thorough investigation to determine the exact nature of the problem accurately. The symptoms related to DTC P0223 can significantly impact vehicle performance. First, you may notice a decrease in engine performance as the PCM struggles to receive accurate throttle position data. This might manifest as a lack of acceleration or stutter at high speeds. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard to alert the driver to the issue. Another symptom could include a delay in throttle response, where pressing the accelerator does not translate into immediate acceleration, leading to frustrating driving experiences. If any of these symptoms are observed, it's essential to conduct a thorough diagnostic as indicated by this DTC to prevent further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0223 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting it. This allows for the electrical diagnostic system, EDS, to activate, enabling a variety of checks. Once in on mode, you'll need to measure the voltage at the TP sensor B. According to the diagnostic protocol, if the reading is higher than 4.8 volts, it confirms the reported failure and indicates an abnormality in the circuit. This measurement serves as a preliminary test to determine if the TP sensor B itself or its wiring is defective. If this reading exceeds the specified limits, a deeper inspection into the throttle body and associated components will be required. In the second step of troubleshooting, focus shifts to inspecting the throttle body and its TP sensor. Ensure the throttle body connector, typically a 6-pin connector, is securely connected and inspect it for any signs of damage or corrosion. Once verified, perform the necessary checks on the throttle position sensor. If the sensor's values do not return to normal specifications, then the throttle body itself may be defective. Considering the integrated nature of the TP sensor, a replacement of the throttle body may be required if issues are detected. This step is vital, as any malfunction here can lead to inconsistent data being sent to the PCM, perpetuating performance issues. The third step involves checking the TL2 and SG3 wiring for any potential open circuits or faults. These two components play integral roles in relaying information to the PCM, particularly the ground circuit embodied within SG3 and the signal line represented by TL2. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance and ensure continuity. Ideally, it should be less than 1 ohm. If the measurement shows an open circuit or a malfunction, you will have to address the wiring issue through repairs or replacement. This diagnostic step ensures that there are no interruptions in the electrical signals traveling to the PCM, which can lead to the triggering of DTC P0223. In the fourth step, focus shifts to inspecting the PCM itself, which serves as the brain of the engine management system. If previous checks for the throttle body and wiring show normal conditions, you will need to evaluate the PCM for failures. Start by ensuring that all connections to the PCM are secure and free from corrosion. If all other components have verified correctly, then the PCM is likely to be the source of the problem, which can lead to various performance issues. Replacing or reprogramming the PCM is often an advanced task, requiring specialized tools or equipment. This step is critical, as the PCM's proper functioning is essential for engine performance and safety. After completing the troubleshooting process and making the necessary repairs, the final step is to verify that the DTC P0223 no longer appears. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored codes and perform a test drive to ensure that the vehicle is operating normally. Pay close attention to throttle performance during various driving conditions to ascertain that the repair was successful. If the DTC recurs, further investigation into the previously inspected components may be necessary. This final step is essential for confirming the effectiveness of the repairs and restoring the vehicle's performance to optimal levels. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in the longevity and reliability of your vehicle, particularly regarding the throttle position sensor and its associated wiring. Regularly check the throttle body and TP sensor for any signs of wear or electrical issues. Inspections should also include looking for loose or corroded connections, as these can impact functionality over time. Replacing aged components preemptively can mitigate the risk of encountering DTC P0223 in the future. Additionally, keeping a close watch on the vehicle's performance and promptly addressing any symptoms that arise can prevent larger issues down the road. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule will ensure that these critical components remain in good working order. In summary, DTC P0223 indicates a high voltage issue associated with the throttle position sensor B in the Honda CR-V 2023 and later. Understanding the role and interconnectivity of the throttle body, the TP sensor, and PCM is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Each step, from initial voltage checks to examining wiring and inspecting the PCM, is integral to accurately diagnosing and resolving the problem. Moreover, incorporating preventive maintenance practices can help mitigate future issues. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps thoroughly, you can ensure the vehicle operates efficiently, maintaining optimal performance and reducing the likelihood of encountering similar DTCs in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.